guys are doing great. So today I'm reviewing this unit from AliPearl's hair. The wig is 22 inches and it's 4x4 lace wig. If you want to see how I install this wig, keep on watching. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Okay, all right guys, just please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys very soon. So it came in this box, and this is the wig. Inside here it came with a pair of lashes, a bag to keep your wig, edge brush, a scarf, I think this is a band, an elastic band, and a cap wig. Those are the goodies that came with this lovely hair from AliPearl. It's 4x4 lace wig and it's 180 density, 22 inches. The length is 22 inches. So this is the wig. You can see the colors, brown and gold color. And it's 22 inches. It's straight. You can see this is very long. See, gold and brown. 4x4 lace wig. There are some combs in here and also adjustable strap. So this is the back of the wig. And no shading. You can coil the hair if you want to coil that, and if you want to twist the hairline more, you can do that. But you can see the way it is right now.
Think we're so messed up, even if what we're doing is bad. There's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
The hair is kind of dry, so you need to apply cream on it.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing.
Yeah, it's very dry, very dry. You just need to apply cream as much as you can to soften it.
I said, see it in your mind, trust that.
So because it's that dry, I'm going to apply this argan oil on it.
But something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, say. See it in your mind, trust that. Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
Con la boca y placer. Si me toca, yo te como otra vez. Con la boca y placer. Si me toca, yo te como otra vez. Lo hago otra vez. Ella era mi parcerita y besaba como niña bendita. Se casó con un pelado fresita, pero no le da lo que necesita, así que me llama a mí pa' pasar la noche. Hago de psicólogo, escucho sus reproches. Él le manda